You were just walking around being all human and shit with your tendons and ligaments and muscles when all of a sudden you got hit with a strong gust of wind which fractured your arm. This is commonly referred to as breaking your bone, but in the medical industry it's called an ouchie bang bang. After one experiences an OBB, the potassium cells in the body flock to the scene of the break and fill the hole with a red substance known as hemahobgoblin. Let's take a closer look inside of this substance. Now that we've cannonballed inside, you can clearly see that there's a fucking ton of dots in here. That about covers it for its composition. But I'd have my teaching license revoked if I didn't mention the osteoblasts and the osteoclasts. We'll start with the osteoblasts, who have the leading role in repairing broken bone, the Robert Downey Jr. to your body's Marvel Cinematic Universe. On the surface of every bone in the human body, you'll find the osteoblasts. I'm just kidding, you fucking nerd, it's the osteoclast. Did I have you going? Are you that fucking stupid? You just got osteo outclassed. These boring losers here are the osteoclast. They look like a tomato-covered Ditto from Pokemon. They break apart the bone, they gobble it up, they eat it, they have an insatiable appetite, they're fucking gluttony incarnate. Then there's the osteoblasts, which are the cool one. That's these blue Roombas that just go across the surface of your bone, leaving behind a trail of cum behind them, which helps repair. This process is known as segagenesis, the suffix genesis meaning creation of, prefix sega meaning bad games. Now here's a picture of a melted marshmallow. Does that answer all your questions? Now everything we've just learned about and discussed all comes together, works in tandem, and starts to repair your bone and make it stronger than it's ever been in its entire fucking life. Now as we zoom out here, you'll notice that you don't even end up being the same person anymore. After this process is complete, you become Homer Simpson.